Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizqiya Ayyasy Ayodia from class 12 Science 3. In this video, I will make a procedure text how to use washing machine with a one tube. Here are the steps. Enjoy the video. The washing machine is used to clean dirty clothes that have been used. Single drum washing machines are designed to do all the washing and drying in one drum. The one-tube washing machines consist of front-loading and top-loading washing machines. The materials are a unit of washing machine, detergent, fragrance, and water. The steps that must be taken are: first, separate your clothes between white and dark clothes. Then put the clothes in the washing machine and put the detergent in the clothes too. Press the power button and program until it says wash. After that, add water and wait until full, then close the machine. If the washing water has come out, continue rinsing the clothes by adding water and fragrance for the clothes. Then pressing the program button until it says rinse, and then start. Then enter the drying stage, press the program button until it says spin and press start. Here is a video how to use a single tube washing machine. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.